Welcome to Techlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add timer on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that, open up any document. Now from here, if you want to add timer on this document, just click on Home tab, and after that at the top right corner you can find Add Ins option. Just click here. Now from here, search for break timer. That's it. Just click on Add option, and that's it. You can see the timer option has been added successfully. You can resize it from here, and you can choose any size as you want, and you can move the timer anywhere. That's it. Now at the bottom you can see minute, second and type option. From here you can set a minute. If I select 2 minutes and then select your second and then click on type option, choose anything. If I select coffee, also you can choose bar, breakfast, exercise. Suppose if I select dinner. Now here you can see 3 options: start, stop and reset. If you want to start your timer, just click on start, and you can see timer has been started successfully. Now if you want to stop your timer, just put the cursor here and then click on stop, and you can see it's stop now. You can also reset your timer from here. Just click on reset option and it's done. You can use only second. Suppose if I select 0 and then select 10 second and then click on start, that's it. And you can see the timer has been ended successfully. And that is how you can add timer on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.